I am a veteran of the United States Army, but trust me, if I had had 1/10 of the knowledge that I've acquired since then, even my settlement, which I'm not complaining about, would have been substantially better. I'm the same guy.
So can you talk a little bit more about, okay, a big thing in our community, which I really see this with, well, I can't say I really see it with the men versus the women, because the women have their complaints about not receiving child support and the men have their complaints about paying child support. So that's a big issue. Can you talk about in detail, in a little bit more detail, as far as you feel comfortable with your experiences with this child support thing and how you were able to, file your cases and get them in court and file and win and be successful?
Because history has taught us, especially within our community, that there's nothing beneficial for our people to be involved in the court system, be it criminal or civil.
I know a lot of people that are either frustrated with having to pay child support because the other parent is not. There's situations where there's a court order in place where the father, for example, is supposed to be able to see the child a certain percentage of time, and the mother is not complying, but the father has been consistently paying child support.
If there's a court order, whereas the father has an entitlement to the amount of time, and the amount of time would dictate what percentage of income would be owed for child support. Anybody can contact me to get my results. You'll see how many times I had my behind whooped in court, and then how I managed to turn a lot of things around. And essentially, you still would know how I did it. The bottom line is, when you walk into that venue, you want to be equipped with the law. And I won't even engage in a fight that does not have that I don't think I can win. Frederick Douglass said, "Knowledge makes a man unfit to be a slave." So once you become knowledgeable, most of the fear for anything related to court is based upon what you do not know.
And as you said, from what I'm hearing from you, the best way to overcome your intimidation is through educating yourself.
That thing that you're going to always stand on, and start with that.
That's true.